Step back in time with Lerro Photography on one of our historic reenactment photo shoots. As part of our small group of photographers, you don't just stand on a photo line, you get to be right in the middle of the action, just like a Hollywood film crew. Our themed photo shoots include everything from military and Wild West reenactments to lighthouses, aviation, and railroads. During the shoots, we pride ourselves on ensuring the historical accuracy of every possible detail, from reenactors in proper clothing and hairstyles to using authentic props, horses, vintage vehicles, trains, planes, and even ships. Whether you're into vintage portraits or action-packed scenes, we have a themed photo shoot for you. If you love photographing historic reenactments as much as we do, sign up and come along. Please visit www.lerrophotography.com for more information.